Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Enjoy this video.
Where can we get you, like?
Sandy Shores.
Sandy Shores. Okay.
There's no fucking way.
Hey, guys, what do you think? He's a little far away. I don't know if.
He's in Narnia, bruh.
All right, we could try and find. All right, we might have to reschedule this plan. You're in Narnia, according to.
Fuck is in Narnia?
Place way out there. I'll call you back another time, Sasuke. All right.
I see. You're too pathetic to take up the challenge.
I'm so sorry. I promise we'll get you in next time.
So what did you do? You just called me to waste my time?
No.
The talk no jutsu strikes again. You're just like
Guys, he's too far away. All right, listen, I'll call you back. I'm.
I think they hit
I don't know.
Chatterbox has been fucking with SPACEBOy.
Who's that? SPACEBOY? You mean Pat Downing? My favorite streamer?
Huh? No, I mean SPACEBOy.
Wait, there's an actual SPACEBOy?
There's an actual
Wait,
space
what?
boy.
Wait, who's SPACEBOy?
Spaceman. Dildo.
He works at Burger Shop, man.
Oh.
Dundee'S on the same thing, fool. You know.
We were on the same thing. Who's this? Behind us.
Hold on.
Yeah, behind us. Who's...
Fuck me.
Ooh!
Oh.
What? Bro, he got headshotted. What? No! Oh, we all got fucked. What? Did he not pop over? Did you not see him pop over? No.
Here we go. Hey, Mr. L, can if we pull this off, I heard you used to do this thing, you know, little lean boys. You remember that?
I can never forget that. You know.
My character's not supposed to know that, I think,
Why do you
but
ask?
you know that thing you guys used to say. You say a lot of L's before.
Yeah. I'm fucking washed up. I can't even say it right anymore. God damn it.
Oh man. Lean boys. All right.
Yeah, brother.
Uh-huh.
Here, get me in my feels here, you know, you son of a bitch.
Oh. Like, I only wish Avon were here. Not that I know him, but you know, you've told me about him.
Mention his fucking name, brother. I miss that motherfucker so fucking
man.
much.
Andrews, you good?
643 pursuing 1 southeast
Andrews, you
through the
okay?
water. He's approaching the ladder.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Right over there to you.
You just proud of Cornwood? You're just in shock how great of an officer he is, or what?
You sure?
Okay, we need number one priority is somebody needs to go check on the mayor, make sure she's actually good.
640's got eyes, running eastbound.
Shots fired.
Manifold one will be appointed to us if available. Using rights.
I only understand them in Spanish. Can you please repeat them to me in Spanish?
Let me pull out Siri real quick. Hold on. Hey Siri.
How the hell is this guy still a cop?
How do you say Miranda rights in Spanish?
What the fuck was that?
In Spanish, Miranda rights is
Hey, Billy.
derechos de Miranda.
There you go. Are you happy?
Yeah, thanks.
That's just the word.
Is that all of them?
Yeah, that's
He meant
all.
the whole thing.
Spanish
Oh yeah, let me hold on.
Damn, Spanish is way shorter, yo.
We shall speak Spanish, dog.
Hell yeah, it sounds mad convenient.
Are we ready to proceed now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hey, what's your name, sir?
Asher Gray. What's up, brother?
Not to contradict you, Your Honor.
You called my Rooster's Rest employees Nazis, right?
Oh Jesus! Oh, what?
Wait, why you believe all them? They work at the same place and are clearly conspiring against me.
Remember this W earlier in the day? Oh, that was beautiful. That's a W. That's a W. Remember that W. Remember that W.
Shoot that motherfucker, Corwin. Shoot him.
Yo, Bango. Extending through Jude.
They're moving on their own. I don't know what's happening. It's not up to me. It's not up to me. Oh god.
Don't you do it.
Oh god.
Okay,
I'm allergic to electricity. You only get tried twice. We tried, guys. We tried so hard. There were so many.
Oh, you gotta be shitting me.
Oh god, guys. Oh god, we tried so hard.
Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
Oh.
No, I already had him out there.
Oh man.
Okay, let me remove your face mask first, okay?
Oh my god, we got caught, guys.
Okay, you ready?
We got caught. We tried so hard.
Face.
Oh.
Why do you lie to me?
Oh, Officer Claire, how's it going?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Your legs are moving on your own, huh?
Yeah.
All right, they choked us on that chicken area. Shoot that motherfucker, Corwin. Shoot him.
Find a profile for this gentleman or no?
I don't know if we have a. I don't know.
No, we don't.
We don't. Oh!
All right. My job is
Nice.
done. You guys have a good one.
Okay.
Yo, bench trial.
Dean, guys. Oh, have a great day, Mr. Dean. Wait, Mr. Dean, Mr. Dean, Mr. Dean, you forgot something.
What did I forget?
You forgot one of these. Thanks so much, Mr. Dean.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Look at old Dean, guys. Well, have a great day.
Okay, please.
Oh, we got the laptop. We're safe.
All right, Freddy. We're coming. Get ready.
Remember, late than early. Inbound. Count.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Now.
Good shit.
Very nice.
Clean.
Very nice. Good shit. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's Eastern Coast
What about your
brain
inked
problem, I
bag?
think.
Guys, I mean, it would suck to lose money, but let's be honest. Is losing money like even weird anymore? We're broke.
Where's your East Coast
We've always
brain
been broke. We're literally the broke bank robber. That's pretty much our thing at this point. Our thing is literally to be the most broke, successful bank robber ever, and we're pretty much already there at this point. We're like, I'd say we're pretty successful bank robbers. We gotten away most of, like 80% plus of the time. And we have less money than we started with. So, you know, do I know exactly where I went wrong? I'm not sure. Do I know that it went wrong? Probably, because we're pretty much the broke robber.
Because the boats will not be there. Is
Anyway.
problem, right? So what I was thinking
Not
is
the boats, the planes.
Yeah.
The planes worry me.
Mm-hmm. They could disappear. I've heard about a lot of locals stealing them. We'll meet you there, Sasuke.
We're heading down the river.
Oh, wait, this motherfucker's in the water.
You're heading
right
down the river. What do you mean down the river?
Oh my fucking god!
You're in a boat.
What is he doing right now,
Gone
bro?
to sea.
We don't got time for this.
I don't know if we have enough time. We might have to. Like, I'm so sorry for debating no jutsu and you again.
Number 2.
I'm so sorry. We'll have to catch you. We're actually on the clock.
Bro.
We're out of time. I'm so sorry.
You literally said you're
That's
going
in
to
a
head
fucking
over
boat
here.
right now, bro.
We were going to, but it's.
Closer and closer to the highway.
I'm so sorry,
Oh my
Sasuke.
god.
I promise you, we will never debate no jutsu again. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, tell him this guy Jones. That's what he gets for beating me up on the crane.
Guys,
We
did
are
it.
ready for you guys to exit.
Oh,
Alright.
Thank you,
We're coming
sir.
out.
You guys are ready?
We
All
go get
Leaving
together.
now in this blank-colored strap.
right, let's go get one more person. Wait, we haven't
Where's the
one.
other guy at?
We need one more guy. We're waiting for one more dude.
We gotta grab our other guy.
sound of my voice
Where's
over
the
here
guy?
behind you.
Where's
the other
our
guy.
4th member?
Where's the other guy? Wait, don't move. Just keep
Wait,
a gun on this guy.
wait,
Hey,
it's
come
safe
on.
patches for all of us, right?
Come back. Where's the other guy at?
Yeah.
They're waiting on the 4th to exit the bank.
Hey, alright, let's go back inside until he's ready.
Okay.
They're gonna re-enter the bank until their 4th is ready to come out.
Let's go. No, we're good. We're good. Let's go.
Oh, we're good. Okay.
Okay, coming out now.
Oh God. How many? Holy Jesus! How many? Oh God.
All right, get in.
All right.
Okay. There you go.
This could be bad, guys. There's a lot. There's a lot. Helicopter's definitely up there. All right.
Sure, I'll make sure you starve, but I don't know if.
Yeah, I can't starve, son. I'm made of iron.
Yeah. Put your fucking hands up, dog. You put your fucking hands up right now, yo. Yeah. Yeah, you better unlock that shit, dog.
Yeah.
You best unlock that shit, yo.
It's unlocked. It's unlocked. It's unlocked.
Hey, let me
It's
see him,
unlocked.
dog. Let me see him.
Unlock this
Hey,
one too, dog. Unlock this one too, dog.
Uncuff that
Yeah,
motherfucker.
get this.
Hey, nah.
Hey,
You
open this
listen to
one,
me,
dog.
bro. Hey, uncuff him,
Hey,
yo.
you forgot everybody's gun, bro.
Yeah, you fucked
God
up, bro.
damn, you fucked up, fatty.
Hey,
I don't want no trouble.
Guys.
Hell yeah.
You know,
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, Jesus.
Wait, say that again.
Yeah. Actually, I think I might have been at the vault right before the robbery. I barely
what the hell?
escaped.
I just saw one of the robbers. They're on the phone as well.
Oh, really?
He had
Wait,
bright
where?
blue shoes.
Bright blue shoes. This guy's
Yeah,
pretending to
bright
be
blue
me.
shoes. What the fuck?
Hey, why are they in the bank, man? What is this? Was he breaching? Hold on. Hey, how'd you see the robbers? What did you breach the bank?
I opened the door to be able to speak to them, you know, because I couldn't hear them
Jesus.
properly, and then I saw this one guy just running around.
On his phone. Maybe he's calling about that laptop or something. You think?
Oh, it must be. Yeah, it must be getting that Dean Prime. He's running
Yeah,
around
probably.
right now. Like a clown.
Well, anyway, I really should go.
Yeah, they're just getting a new laptop still.